paninda rito. Almost the same. And then, let's see. It's like the fries. And then, there is the ayam. May okoy. Tingin tayo doon. Yun yung okoy nila. So, dito tingin tayo. So, fried chicken din. Yan. Fried chicken. It's a fried chicken. And then, there is the okoy. So, ito yung okoy. This what's this? Ayam.
Chicken. Ayam. Chicken. Chicken yun ako.
This two shrimp dua.
Okay. Panaha.
Kaya. And
Lon, kuninเขาDua yan ang
this dua.
1, 2, 2. Klik.
Yeah.
Patang.
Yeah.
Patang.
I need to pay for it. So, dua is 30 baht. So, dua is 30 baht. This is pay 50 baht.
Dari Indonesia. Indo ah. You balik dari Indonesia.
No. Philippines.
Oh,
Yeah, Philippines.
Philippines anan Philippines.
We have also here we also have in Philippines like this. Also have. Yeah.
Ani okay. Yo akhir yo. Philippines. Lagi komen udah biaya itu semua hari lo. Lebih terang.
I pay 50. That's the sauce.
Philippines also has this.
Yeah, also have
How much
this
is
one.
it per peso?
30 peso. It's almost the same when you convert. It's almost the same.
Yeah.
You also from here?
I'm Malaysia.
Malaysia. Hi, hello. Thank you. Bye.